Hi everyone, today we are going to learn alphabets. We will flip and learn alphabets, uppercase and lowercase. So let's start. A is for apple. Apple. This is the lowercase a and this is the capital A. So the next word is B. B is for bird. Bird. This is the lowercase b and this is the uppercase B. The next letter is C. C is for cat. Cat. This is the letter C. So the next letter is D. D is for dog. Dog. And this is the capital D and this is this one. This is the lowercase d. So the next is E. E is for elephant. Elephant. This is the cute elephant. Can you see this? This is a lowercase e and this is capital E. This is F. F is for fish. This is the cute fish. Fish. So this is the letter G. G. Girl. Girl. This is a cute girl and this is the lowercase g. This is the letter H. H is for house. This is lowercase h and H is for house. House. So the next letter is I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. This is lowercase I and this is capital I. So the next letter is J. J is for jeans. Jeans. This is the letter J. Jeans. Can you see the lowercase j? And this is the capital J. So the next letter is K. K is for key. Key. And this is the lowercase k and this is capital K. So the next letter is L. L is for lock. Lock. This is the lowercase l. This is the uppercase L. M is for mitten. Mitten. And the mitten is looking super cute. This is lowercase m and capital M. The next is N. N is for nest. Nest. And this is lowercase n. After n, it's the letter O. O is for orange. Orange. So now we are going to do P. P is for pig. Pig. This is the lowercase p. Letter is Q. Q is for queen. Queen. And this is the lowercase q. The next letter is R. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. This is the lowercase r and this is the capital R. So the next letter is S. S is for squirrel. This S and S is for squirrel. Squirrel. This is the lowercase s and this is capital S. So this is T. T is for tree. Tree. Can you see the tree is looking so cute? So after T, it's the letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. This is the lowercase u and this is the capital U. So the next letter is V. V is for violin. Violin. This is the lowercase v and this is the capital V. So the next letter is W. W is for watch. Watch. This is the lowercase w and this is the capital W. This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. So the next letter is Y. Yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. The next and the last letter, zebra. Zebra. So now we are going to learn shapes also. So can you see this round shape? What is this shape? Yes, you're right. This is a circle and the ball is circle. This is, do you know which shape is this? This is a square, and let's press it. Square. The TV screen, the TV is square. So this is the next shape. Can you see this? This is rectangle. Let's press it. Wow. The wagon, the truck is rectangle. The body of the truck is rectangle. So what is this shape? Triangle. Wow, this is so cute. The boat is triangle. The upper part of the boat is triangle. Now we are going to learn colors. Which color is this? Gray. Squirrel. Yes, the squirrel is gray. This is the color red. Apple is red. Blue. The bird is blue. Yellow. This is the color yellow. The chick is yellow. Orange. This is the color orange. The pumpkin is orange. Purple. Wow, Crayola color. The color is purple. Green. The tree is green. Pink. The pig is pink. Black. The blackboard is black. This is the color white. The sheep is white. One mitten. Two, can you count? 1, 2. Number 2, 2 ice creams. Let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers. 3, number 3. Let's count the cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 4. After 3, it's the number 4. Let's count the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trees. After 4, it's the number 5. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 5, it's the number 6. Now let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bananas. Let's count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chicks. So let's count the bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bees. After 9, it's the number. Let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls. We have done. Thank you so much for watching.